Welcome back, guys. HashFLOW channel. Today we'd like to talk about the hash flow potential targets for 2023 at the next upcoming bull run. Let's dive in. If you take a look on this chart, it's just a brand new coin because listing on the Binance only in November 2022. So we got not so big history. That's why it's hard to analyze on a weekly time frame, for example, or on a monthly time frame. So we are analyze the initiation accumulation stages for this year, because I think really soon we will see the pump, and I would like to show you why in this year. And we'll try to determine the potential target with market cap for the next bull run, because I truly believe this coin has potential. Yes, it's hard to say how high we can pump, but I would like to show you what we can see this year. I highly recommend you go and watch this trading strategy for altcoins. All educational videos will be totally for free in my Telegram channel, so I highly recommend you join in. And how to analyze the coins if we don't have the long history. You know, we got only this listing candle. First of all, like I mentioned in previous video, in 90 cases, we can come back and close 50% of this week, but it's not the rule. Around $17, it's possible target for HashFLOW. Let's go to drop step. We got total supply 1 billion. Circulation supply 210 millions now, only 21% in circulation supply. It's really important. Market cap now around 70 millions. So it's pretty low. We got a bottom, listing price, daily candle, bottom, top, only body candle. We not count the week. So here, this fib is legit. We came in after listing, came in exactly to 86 level by fib. So basically, like I showed you in the video, we can mark this period was initiation. Here, next stage, it's accumulation. Accumulation can be long-term period. Every single time, of course, we can drop even listing lower than listing price, but negative scenario, we can sweep this liquidity. It's locally. I showed you for this year. Why exactly this low? Let's mark it yellow. It will be accumulation stage. Why exactly this level? Because you have to pay attention for vesting period. Here, the biggest unlock will be here 15% of total supply in November. November 7. You remember I showed you the Arkham, they got to unlock every single day. HashFLOW got a model, they unlock every single month. So here, in September, nothing special. October, nothing special. That's why September, October, they can pump this coin. And we will came in and we will see the pump stage. Initiation, accumulation, pump. I highly recommend you go and watch this free educational video. You will understand the logic. How high we can pump based on this model. Look, so just the logic. We are in the range in accumulation stage after initiation. All levels are legit. Here, this fib is legit. First level, 0 level, correction to 86, breaking out 23 level by fib. On a line chart, it looks like this one. Here, we just test 23 level by fib. Always double check on a line chart. Then walk from level to level 0.5. 38, come back to 78. Now, yes, we have all chances sweep these lows. It will be the good entry, I think, for potential pump. How high we can pump? Usually, we can pump to 27 zone and 0.61 level by fib. So, next stages can be like this one. Of course, on a market, everything can change in a moment, in an eye blink, you know. So, next stage can be the pump. When this stage start, nobody knows, because nobody knows the timing. Here, yes, of course, we can nuke once again. Altcoins can drop one more time. So if September, October, without a massive unlocks, the market makers knew the next massive unlock will be here in November. That's why I think really soon we will see the parabolic move like on Aptos. Here's the initiation, accumulation, pump stage. So now we probably can see the same story with HashFLOW. Negative scenario, always keep in mind, negative scenario, markets can crash it, Bitcoin can go to 10K, 9K, 12K, we can collapse down lower than the listing price. Anyway, this range Now, 27 till listing price is a good time to accumulate this coin for a long run or for potential speculation. How high we can pump if we sweep this low? Here, basically 61 level by FIB. For example, if we sweep, it can be 500%. The same story with the Aptos. Here, absolutely, almost every single time, we see the same model, 600%. Is it possible to hit this target, what we market $17, close 50% of this weak candle? Let's just double check. So with all next unlocks till 2024, so this will be April 2024, for example, sell in May and go away after 246 days with all unlocks. Let's say we will get 400 million coins in circulation supply. 400 millions. To hit $17, the hash flow have to reach 6,800,000,000. Is it possible? In a crypto, everything possible. But we have to be realistic and just mark our exit price. So till November, we will not see the crazy unlock. That's why first target, when you can fix or at least withdraw initial deposit, have to be around this area, 27 zone, $1.27, $1.57. With a weak candle, it can be, for example, $1.60. With 210 millions, it can be only 336 millions till November this year. If this model is correct and if we will see some altcoin season and a pump after ETF, all this stuff, you know. So this is a good target and a positive scenario for 2023. After that, on Aptos, we can see something like this one. You know, it's not unnecessary, so we have to see something like this one on HASHFLOW, but yes, it's possible. When after 500%, the people start fix their profit, you know, you have to at least withdraw initial deposit, leave free coins, or take profit step by step. For example, you took 25% profit and then wait the next accumulation stage, and step by step you have to mark your exit lines where you would like to out of this coin. So for example, it can be $5. So let's count 400 millions will be $5. It's 2 billion. It's more than real. It's more than real. So from let's count from 27 cents here till $5. It will be here. It will be 1,700% gains till $10. Round number, it can be, for example, $9, 3,300. So with $9, it can be 3,600,000,000. Is it possible? Everything possible. Last cycle, we saw the Gala with crazy market cap. SHIB, Papa, many other coins, you know. So why, if the Papa can reach the 1 billion market cap, why, for example, HASHFLOW can't reach $4, 1,600,000,000 till next May? And with less circulation supply, for example, 300 millions, $5, 1.5 billions. Is it possible? Of course it's possible. You know, it's just matter of time when the big players start fix their position. That's why your main goal is just to follow the steps of big players and fix position together with the big players. Don't be so greedy. I don't see any reason why before the November, before the massive unlock, the big players crashed this price lower than the listing price in September, October. I think no reason. So let's take a look on indicator set, what's going on locally, because we don't have data, for example, on the weekly time frame. We don't have enough data for analysis because it's just a brand new token. If we take a look on ADZ, daily, we're in the accumulation stage. Yes, that's why we can see one more sweep low, and it can be the deviation on a daily. On a weekly, we are in the middle. That's why if the market gonna crash and we drop lower low, yes, we're going to this zone. If September gonna be just a sideways and we will see some altcoin season, we can start this 3 stages on a weekly time frame, forming deviation. It can be like this one, and then drop. So you already know how the indicator works. Crypto flight direction, here, big players accumulate, accumulate, accumulate. So now, no reason to sell. We're at the bottom. To start sell, we have to be at the top on crypto flight direction. Got it? Market smooth on weekly, yes. We are in the distribution stage because after listing, you know. But on the daily, here, listing, collapse, disbelief. Time to buy, December, pump. Disbelief, disbelief, disbelief. Last time disbelief was here at 31 cents. That's why most likely we can see there one more sweep. Low, reversal move, and go much, much higher. If we drop lower than the listing price, yes, we have to draw another FIB down. Let's take a look on take profit. Take profit on a daily. One more time, why we can drop with a weak candle. You know, it can be just like this one. We test here the buy line, bounce, small bounce. One more time test, and if we will see some capitulation, we can test, for example, 24 cents. Lowest point was 27.50. So we can see the buy line, and all these lines will be dynamic, and we can start curve up much, much higher. On the weekly, of course, we don't have enough data for take profit. On trade on the weekly, of course, we don't have data because we don't have a history for this coin. After initiation, we came into accumulation. Buy. Average price is here, for example, 42. Pump to 94. Sell. So on a daily, it's for intraday, for swing trades. After the last signal to sell, we got signal take profit. So in this area, from 84, you could close your position at 43. We got a take profit signal from sellers. Now we got pump, close position, buy once again, close position, recommendation, close position. Maybe we'll see one more drop. It will be perfect scenario. 27, 25, 24. You never catch the bottom, so don't add some limit orders, you know, because we never know how low we can drop. We can see even 19. So on the spot, it will be the good entry. For example, if the market recover, move 500% on the spot, it can be really good gains, you know. But it's not unnecessary. So this model will play out now because everything depends of Bitcoin. Or we can trade just in this accumulation stage till March, April, May, even next summer, you know. So it will be a longer accumulation stage. And then anyway, we will see the pump. Highly recommend you go and watch big video about initiation accumulation stages for 2023 in a positive targets this block, and negative we can drop and form a lower low. Anyway, for a long run, yes, we don't see some crazy total supply. That's why if we even drop lower than the listing price, you can buy easily HASHFLOW because we can reach $1 till the end, you know, till 2025, 2024. Easily, I think. So guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.